COVID warriors are like heroes on the front line without a cape. Now, their superpowers and weapons are their determination, their selflessness, their grit, and their compassion, most of all. Well, I'm bringing you a story of one such COVID warrior who's been in this field for nearly 11 years now, selflessly dedicating his time, his patience, and more importantly, risking his own life while he's at his job.
With the first rays of the sun, this COVID warrior is readying himself to fight the battle head on. Meet Manjunath, a lab technician for more than a decade now. Ever since his father passed away 9 years ago, he has been the support system for his mother and 3 sisters. Manjunath's mother Gangamma is a senior citizen, which means he has to be twice as careful in his interactions with her, considering the work he does.
ಇಲ್ಲೂರ 12 ಗಂಟೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಪಾಪ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲವ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಮಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲವ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು 1 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆದರೂ ಆಯ್ತು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಗ ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದಿಸ್ತು ಹೆಂಗ ಅವರು ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಮಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆತೈತ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಾಕ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ.
One of the most daunting tasks in the fight against COVID-19 is the actual testing of the samples. The lab technicians spend hours together on a daily basis testing these samples, wearing the PPE kits in order to ensure their exposure does not turn out to be costly for them. And they do this day after day, testing thousands of samples after samples, and they go on and do it tirelessly. Now, like Manjunath as well, there are several other lab technicians across the country who are going on and continuing with their work on the front line. And we're going to show you what it's like to be inside a lab working on the front line.
As the chief operating manager of the lab, Manjunath's work involves him working very closely with COVID-19 samples. Working inside a lab, a technician needs to take the utmost care and requires immense concentration to be able to test thousands of samples on a given day.
I have a mother who is above 16 in my home. So even a small mistake from my side, if I neglect something while performing in the lab, so I may get infected. So in that scenario, if that minor mistake will be fatal or deadly to my parents who are there in my home, as well as the kids, my niece and nephews will come routinely to my place, they also get infected. So for that thing, we are very careful in handling each and every sample.
It was Dr. Ravi who stumbled upon Manjunath and chose him to work with the team. He honed his skills and gave him an opportunity to grow.
What is great about Manjunath is his single-minded devotion to what he wants to contribute to a patient. It's not just COVID. He has been dealing with multi-drug resistant organisms. He is dealing with multi-drug resistant TB. See, we have done this work. That's how we developed a BSL-2 facility to do work, and he is so committed to that. And that commitment is what drives him.
The biggest concern for COVID warriors remains the risk of infecting their precious families at home. But despite this, COVID warriors like Manjunath have selflessly continued to save lives and work tirelessly.
Well, we've spent more than 15 hours with a COVID warrior and shown you what one day in the life of a COVID warrior is like. So let's all start to be more grateful. Let's spend a minute to thank them and most importantly, respect their selfless service. Well, here's wishing them more strength, more power and more courage. In Bengaluru with video journalist Santosh, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.